Hello people and welcome back to Comet Dashcam channel. Today we prepared another epic episode full of all sorts of crazy encounters caught on Java's Dashcam. Make sure to stick till the end because this one is going to be really awesome. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. In this situation, one driver got too impatient to wait at traffic lights. And you know what usually comes with it. Chances of you causing an accident are really high, and that's exactly what happened here. It would appear that the Ford driver is playing tricks on the camera here. He's using his turn signals as the disco lights, left, right, left, as he was thinking about which way to turn.
Registered? Well, it's not valid, I'm sorry. So I stopped the car for that as well. I understand, I heard him. Let me see your insurance and registration. I don't understand why we had to go through this whole dog and pony show.
KKP 1613 New York. This don't know what she's doing. Serious?
Drivers nowadays really don't seem to pay attention at the traffic rules. We have more and more people running red lights, cutting others off, taking risky last-second exits and whatnot. It's our duty to act more responsible and be more aware of traffic rules and other traffic participants around us. After all, the road belongs to nobody in specific, and the sooner we learn to share it properly, the better it is for the rest of us.
We're in the red of red! Hey! Yeah, yeah. Come on, yeah. Don't hit me. Someone lost their drawers. Are you turning right here? Being a douche. Yeah, you're a douche. What are you doing? Do you know where the hell you're going? What are you? Oh, what the? Is it? Yeah. Don't run it. You ran it. Someone's there. Hello, 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 hello. Dumbass. Oh, hi. I'm not here, lady. No problem. You want to stop, maybe? No, you still managed to not stop. That's cool. That's cool. Yellow. Red. You're in that. You blew that. What if that'll pick up? Stop saying me anything, you grandma.
I got that beef jerky. I got that beef jerky. What the fuck is this guy doing? Shit. Damn, what the fuck? Damn, what the fuck? What the? This guy was on the train tracks.
Guns N' Roses and Iron Maiden headlining Saturday. It's AC/DC and Ozzy Osbourne, and then Metallica and Tool are headlining on Sunday. So it's going to be wild. Tickets go on sale April 6th at 10 a.m. Pacific.
Hey, it's Jake, and if you're not waking up with all of us here...
This driver thought that it would be a great idea to break the speed limit, but a cop who was there in traffic had other plans for him. With this clip, we reached the end of yet another epic episode on Comet Dashcam channel. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Make sure to leave a like, because it would really help us out a lot. While you're at it, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.